Hi, my name is Jade Weinstein. We are in the Honor Floor Plan here at Palm Grove by Neal Communities. This two-story home is 2,143 square feet and features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Come take a tour. The main floor includes a spacious great room, dining area, and a well-appointed kitchen. The kitchen creates a sense of openness with its airy design and expansive countertops. Cooking and entertaining is seamless with this oversized island and natural gas stove. The walk-in pantry is easily accessible just off the kitchen. Enjoy the beautiful Florida weather under your covered lanai. Adding French doors to this leisure room creates a den. The upstairs of this home is where the family comes to gather. You have this amazing loft space and all of the bedrooms. The loft is a versatile space. It can be used as a playroom or in any way that fits your lifestyle. The primary bedroom is large with lots of natural light. The primary bathroom has a walk-in closet, dual sinks, and a private water closet. 2 more bedrooms, a bathroom, and the laundry room complete this home. This floor plan includes a tandem garage for extra space. Thank you for touring the Honor model here at Palm Grove. I look forward to seeing you soon.